How do you inspect suspended scaffolding? Have you ever wondered how workers stay safe while working high above the ground on suspended scaffolding? Inspecting this equipment is a vital part of ensuring safety in skyscraper construction. It is a task that requires attention to detail and proper training. Let's break down how to inspect suspended scaffolding effectively. First, start with a thorough visual and physical inspection before each work shift. This should also be done after any event that might affect the scaffold's integrity, like strong winds or heavy rain. Only trained personnel should carry out these inspections. Begin by checking the platform and structure. Look for any visible damage, cracks, or deformities. Ensure that all components are securely fastened and free from corrosion or wear. Guardrails, toe boards, and access points must be properly installed and in good condition. Make sure the platform is clear of debris or materials that could cause slips or trips. Next, examine the rigging equipment. Inspect all ropes, cables, and suspension lines for signs of fraying, abrasion, or deterioration. Check hooks, shackles, and connections for any damage or corrosion. If you find any faulty parts, replace them immediately. Confirm that the rigging equipment is suitable for the specific application and installed according to the manufacturer's instructions. Additionally, verify that the supporting structure can safely bear the loads imposed by the scaffold and workers. Now, let's verify the safety features. Ensure that all required safety labels and operating instructions are present and easy to read. Check that locking devices on connection hardware are properly installed and functional. Fall protection systems, such as safety harnesses and lifelines, must be in place and used correctly. It is also important to secure the scaffold against unauthorized use when it is unattended, especially if power is involved. Assessing stability and sway prevention is another key step. Evaluate if the scaffold is adequately secured to prevent swaying or unintended movement. This is especially important for two-point or multi-point suspended scaffolds. Inspect suspension points to ensure they are stable and correctly anchored. Finally, documentation and compliance are essential. Record all inspection findings, noting any defects and the corrective actions taken. Follow all relevant safety regulations and standards, including local and federal workplace safety laws. Ensure that workers and supervisors have received proper training to recognize hazards and conduct safe scaffold operations. In high-risk professions like skyscraper construction, inspecting suspended scaffolding is as critical as safety checks in logging or storm chasing. The extreme heights and exposure to weather conditions make meticulous inspection vital to preventing falls or equipment failure. Keeping workers safe in these precarious environments requires constant vigilance and adherence to strict safety protocols.